Alright guys, so I decided to take off my hubcap covers. This is the rims that you got underneath. I am now going to, I bought these nice covers to cover the lugs, which gives you these Tesla thingies here. Take out the plastic, and that goes in the middle. And you also get these little bad boys here, which goes around these areas here to cover them up. So I'm just gonna start putting them on, and we'll take a look at the after. So let's put these on. Let's see. I have about 4 months with the car already, so I felt like it was time for me to now give it that more sporty look. And I love these rims underneath. This looks really nice. Just putting on these covers on. And the hard part will be the other one. Oh no, this is not it. See, what am I missing? What am I missing? Here it goes. And we are going to add this bad boy here. Okay. Now, these actually have a plastic cover around it. You just may want to peel it off. All right, some people may want to keep it on, some peel it off. You can see it. I'm going to peel mine off. So bear with me for a second. I don't have a cameraman, so I think I got it. So you can see it's peeling. Take it off. All right. Boom. Come off. And it's a little raining, so it's cool like that. And as you can hear that snap, that means it's all the way in. All right. So here's the look. All 4 wheels are done. Let's take a look. All 4 wheels are done. That looks much better.